Passive income is the dream, right? Warren Buffett even says it himself. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. But honestly, what is passive income? Is it money earned for doing nothing? That's what some people seem to think, but if it were that easy to create passive income sources, everybody would be sitting on a tropical island right now sipping pina coladas. What passive income really is? Passive income is money that you earn on a regular basis that requires little to no effort to maintain. That means it could take you an entire year, or longer, to set up a passive income source, but after that, it could generate revenue for years without a ton of maintenance. Not no maintenance, but minimal maintenance. RoboAdvisor. By far the easiest way to get into investing is to use a RoboAdvisor. A RoboAdvisor invests your money for you, automatically. You simply choose how much risk you're willing to take, and the RoboAdvisor takes it from there. Luckily with most robo-advisors, the fees aren't too bad if you consider the convenience a robo-advisor brings. The average fee for a robo-advisor is anywhere from 0.25% to 0.9% per year. That means if you have $10,000 invested, you're going to be spending anywhere from $25–90 per year on fees. That's a pretty small amount to pay for the convenience and awesomeness of having your money invested for you automatically. It's also a lot cheaper than a traditional investment advisor. That's why, in my opinion, robo-advisors are the way to go. Dividend-paying stocks. Certain companies give a portion of their profits to their stockholders. This is known as a dividend. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a great way to earn passive income, but there is a fair share of risk involved as well, just like any investment. For example, companies can lower their dividend yield or stop paying dividends altogether, which can cause the stock price to drop rapidly. That's why, just like with any other investment, you must always do your research. Just because a stock is paying dividends doesn't mean it's a solid investment. Purchasing rental properties. So, you're ready to invest in real estate on your own. Welcome to the big leagues. This is where some real passive income can be made if it's done right. If done wrong, a lot of money can be lost. Property managers. They are your key to passive income. If you can find and hire a good property manager, you are golden. They'll handle the property management, and you can focus on finding new investment opportunities. License stock photos. If you've got photography skills, then licensing your photos could be a passive income idea that's right up your alley. The way it works is simple. You upload your photos to a stock photo site, and each time someone downloads one of your photos you get paid. Since content marketing is so huge, there are millions of photos downloaded every day from stock photo sites. That's potential money in your pocket. Rent out your parking spot. Parking in some areas is getting ridiculously expensive. Luckily for us, that means opportunity. You can make some extra cash passively by renting out your driveway, garage, or parking spot to drivers in need. This works especially well if you live in an area where parking is hard to come by. You can rent your space out either daily or monthly, and you control the availability as well. Turn your car into an ad. Did you know that you can make money by turning your car into a moving advertisement? It's called car wrap advertising, and it's a great way to earn passive income for doing something you already do. In order to become a driver, you'll need to have a car that's 2008 or newer, and you'll have to be someone who does a fair amount of driving. Those in busier areas will get more advertising offers, since advertisers want to show their ads in specific places. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is when you run an online store, but you don't hold any product. If this is your first time hearing about this, it probably sounds a bit silly. How is it possible to run a store with no products? Well, there are products, they're just with the suppliers. When a customer orders a product from your store, you put the customer's details into the supplier's store, and they handle the rest. That's the basis of how dropshipping works, and it's generally risk-free because you don't have to purchase a product until someone actually orders it. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves selling someone else's product for a percentage of the commission. For example, Amazon offers a popular affiliate program where, if you direct a customer to Amazon and they make a purchase, you get a percentage of the sale. This is definitely most effectively done with a blog or a YouTube channel, but there are other ways to do it. For example, Facebook is a popular place to post affiliate links, just make sure you're not spamming. The key to affiliate marketing is to always provide value. Some other ways you could promote an affiliate offer would be to post in forums or use pay-per-click advertising. Although many internet marketing gurus like to promote passive income as this magical, make $10,000 fast while you sleep sort of thing, that couldn't be further from the truth. Most passive income ideas are very long-term, and if you don't stick with them until the end, you're not going to see very good results. That's why I encourage you to pick one that interests you and get started on it today. Not tomorrow. Today. The earlier you start, the more time your asset has to grow. Now I want to hear from you. Which passive income idea is your favorite? Which ones are you going to try?